Hey there fellow adventurers, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something special for all the Tesla owners and e-bike enthusiasts out there. We'll be diving into the incredible world of the Lectric XP Lite folding bike and how it can be your perfect companion for exploring new places while enjoying all the benefits of electric travel. Meet the Lectric XP Lite, an electric folding bike designed for the modern adventurer. What makes it so special? Well, stick around and you'll find out. One of the standout features of the Lectric XP is its lightning fast folding mechanism. It's compact, it's lightweight, and it easily fits into the trunk of your Tesla, perfect for those spontaneous adventures. And just like that, you're ready to hit the road. No need for bike racks or complicated setups. The XP Lite seamlessly fits into the trunk, leaving you with more space for other essentials. Now picture this, you're exploring a new town. Find a level 2 charger and hit the road on your folding e-bike. You can enjoy the afternoon all the while your Tesla is getting charged. Whether it's grabbing lunch, doing some shopping, or just taking in the local sights, this e-bike has got you covered. You're reducing your carbon footprint while having a blast exploring new places. It's a win-win. So if you're a Tesla owner or just someone who loves the idea of spontaneous adventures, the Lectric XP Lite is your ticket to endless exploration. Check out the affiliate link in the description to support the channel and get your hands on this incredible folding e-bike.